Hello again and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a new task in the Creative Project Management Dashboard by DesignMinder. So again, coming over here to the left-hand side, you'll see the quick action button. So we're going to click on New Task, which will pop over. We're going to get a little bit meta here. All right, so then you can add a description similar to with projects. There's a task status. Now the difference between projects and tasks, you'll see you have one fewer option here. So it's going to be on hold intake, active/open, and then complete ready if you think of like ready for handoff, and then canceled. So we'll call this active and open. Context is going to be another option that you have. The default is TBD, but if you come in here, there's some presets. So we'll call this creative and take TBD off. Your priority. Now this is going to be my take on the Eisenhower Matrix. And so if you're thinking about prioritizing your tasks, usually you go like low, medium, high, and then everything ends up being high. But the reality is, especially in the creative space, there are things that we do that are high value, higher value, lower value, and urgency can be manufactured or it can be real. So for us, we have the default set to not sure yet. We have high value, low urgency tasks, and those are green because those type of things you really should be spending your time on. We have high value, high urgency tasks, low value, high urgency. So these are like, getting that, responding to a Slack message that, I need this file, that kind of stuff. And then low value, low urgency. These things really shouldn't exist, but unfortunately they do. So I'm going to put, this is high value, high urgency, target outcome. Again, you can create a new one here, or you can tie back to the ones that you already have. And then again, with the due date here, I'm going to show you an example. So if I were to put this as it's due by the end of the project from the previous video, it's going to show us that we have 20 days remaining. So, but we're being proactive and really getting to it today. So we're going to put it as the due date is today. You'll see how it adjusts accordingly. This is going to be assigned to me. And again, you can add tags from files. If you'd like to add a note or a subtask, if you know any of those things off right away, you can add them there. And then this is more of a scratch pad here, just for quick thoughts. So I'm going to put... All right, so now that we have that out of there, you'll come in and we're going to click over to the open tasks and you'll see that it's been added. If you click here, it'll toggle over. You can come in and add a subtask here. And so you can either attach ones that already exist or you can create a new one. So let's say write description as a subtask for this. And so I'm going to make this a new task and you'll see it was added there. Come back out of here. And now I want to show you on the project piece. If you come over to projects, you could do this actually in tasks as well. But if I come over to that demo project we created, you can come in and add project tasks. And you'll see it's going to auto show the ones that are in the database. And so I'm going to click on this one and click on that one. And we'll come out of here. Actually, no, wait. Landing page block, blink. So we'll do that one for the task demo. But that's a good point. If I showed you this one, this task is actually already completed. So you'll see how our bar moves from 0 to 50%, the progress bar. So again, you come over here. If you toggle down, you can see your subtasks and you can write in pieces there if you have additional information, due dates, etc. Yeah, so there you go. And even assign the values. So there you go, and hopefully this is helpful. See you in the next video.